The god of football, Ronaldo, finds himself facing a collective lawsuit. Let's understand what's going on. Cristiano Ronaldo, a phenomenal footballer widely recognized and admired almost universally. Over the years, we've witnessed Ronaldo's achievements, his determination, hard work, and sincerity. Watching him has always been a delight, and we continue to eagerly follow his matches. Ronaldo is so beloved by people that in 2022, Binance chose him as their advertising face. Ronaldo appeared in commercials for Binance. Ronaldo's NFT collections like CR7 and Forever CR7 garnered significant attention in advertisements. These digital collections immortalized football's most crucial moments, receiving immense admiration. The partnership aimed to redefine fan interaction in the sports and entertainment world by delving into the Web3 space. Recently, an application filed in the Florida U.S. District Court has left everyone quite surprised. The application alleges Ronaldo collaborated with Binance to support the sale of unregistered securities. The complaint alleges that Ronaldo's social media following of 850 million people was utilized to promote NFTs and the Binance platform, significantly boosting Binance's popularity fivefold thanks to Ronaldo. The plaintiffs, Michael Sizemore, Mikey Vongdara, and Gordon Lewis, claim that Ronaldo not only promoted NFTs, but also directed people to engage with Binance's BNB token and unregistered securities. The plaintiffs seek compensation and legal fees covered in the lawsuit and demand disclosure of payments received by Ronaldo. We will see together what will happen. Undoubtedly, Ronaldo is one of the most significant figures in football history. Thus, the progression of this lawsuit is a matter of great curiosity. That's all for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.